Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 31 Louise Street, Unit 3 in Worcester. And this is a 2-bed, 1-bath on the 3rd floor. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So it's actually from the main hallway. There are 2 common area entrances. One of them is there, and then the other one's to my left. And it is kind of like, if you've seen these Worcester apartments, you'll recognize kind of the layout of this space because it's the 2 parlor heaters. But what's unique with this one is it's got this sliding door. And so this acts as a separator. So you can really make this room into anything, whether it's an office or it's just an extra space. And then there's 2 bedrooms over down that way. So that would be separate from this. And you got the parlor heater there. It's kind of a radiator system just to get heat going through it. As a gas heating system. And so I'm just gonna kind of try to get as many angles as I can, just give you the best idea of the dimensions to the space. But both of these spaces are big enough for, you know, a couple sectional couches. I'd say the rooms are pretty large as well. This one's got entrance from the kitchen and the living room with both doors. But as you can see, it's got a lot of space, easily enough for queen or a king size bed, and then plus a desk and a dresser. It's definitely, we do a lot of Worcester apartments, and it's large in comparison, especially this, which is pretty much in almost a walk-in closet with a window. Very high, so a lot of storage space there. We'll take a look at the end, at the other room. I just want to keep going through. So that's back to the living room. And then here's the kitchen. So this is pretty much the hub to the rest of the apartment. You got all the doors leading everywhere. And if you look around, you can see that here's a washing machine. So washing machine here, there's a dryer machine out back. And I'm just gonna go around. You can see the 4-burner gas stove here. Newly installed fixtures with the cabinets and everything that looks really great with that granite style. And the tiles in here are in really good condition too. I like the brick accents as well. So you're kind of getting the best of everything from a lot of these Worcester places, because not all of them have this nice, you know, brick inlay or anything. And here's the bathroom. So bathroom kind of has everything included. You got the toilet and then the cabinet, and this one actually has vanity lights. Just make that a little bit better. And then there's the shower. Shower's got a window. It can be opened. You can let some of that moisture out too, which might be nice. And then we'll just keep going. This is the galley kitchen. All these places have this. So lots of extra space for just your, you know, plates, anything else that you might have for the kitchen, stuff like that. And back here is this last room. This is the bedroom. The second bedroom. And unfortunately the closet's not as big as the other one. It's just because of the kind of the placement of the closet, but it's still a good sized closet. You can still have, you know, pretty much everything that you would need in here. Just a rack plus a shelf on top of there. But this room as well is like easily a queen size bed with a desk. A couple other things could fit in here pretty well. And that's back to the kitchen. Coat closet here by the back entrance and exit. And this, they're doing a little bit, still some stuff left behind from the renovation, obviously, but that's getting taken out soon. Here's extra closet space for storage plus the dryer machine. So you get dryer machine here, going back into the apartment there, and then rear exit. And yeah. That was 31 Louise Street, Unit 3, 2-bed, 1-bath on the 3rd floor with that extra kind of an office space back in the living room that can be divided off here. I'm actually going to show you the mechanism so that you can see how it works. And that's the other door to the front common area that I was talking about. This is how it divvies off. So you just put them here, and then one can go over other there, and then you divide it, so it's its own thing. And if you want to see a full list of all of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com and just go to our for rent page. You can set up something with a leasing agent today. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.